Okay, now I'm gonna show how to pack the equipment up after the job. So now we already took all the ropes down, we put everything down, and we're here on steady ground. Now the thing we need to do is pack everything up together. First thing you need to know is the rope. You need to untie all the knots that were on the rope. Each knot like this will be a problem, so we want everything without no knots. So I'm opening all the knots and the rope. Okay. Next thing we need to do is find the end of the rope. Okay, I'm taking the end of the rope, stretching it, putting it behind my head. Now I'm taking my left hand, stretching another piece of rope, and behind my head. Now the same thing, but from the other side. One time from this side, one time from this side, as you can see. 1, 2. Now from the other side. 1, 2. Okay, now when we get towards the end, and I have like 3-4 meters in the end left, I take the rope off of me. And I hold it in my hand, like this. Now I take this rope that's left, and I gotta just put it around this rope. See, like this. And then I just put it through here. Oh, lost it there. Through here. This is how we pack the rope. This is how it's supposed to look. And we're ready for next time. Okay, now we're gonna put everything back in the bag. So the first thing you need to do is never put the rings. Never put the rings in the bottom. Why? If you put the rings in the bottom, it might get damaged from when it gets hit on the floor or stuff like that. So the first thing we gotta do is put a piece of rope in the bottom, as you see. And then I'm going to put all the other stuff inside. That's how we pack all our equipment.